going to be leaving at 4. Now it's 5, almost 6 o'clock, and we're finally ready to go. But let's go to Miah's house and surprise him. Let's go.
Be on the left.
What is it, this one?
No. Keep going.
Right here on the left?
I believe so. Yes, it is.
Your destination is on the left.
You can just like flip over left right here.
Okay.
After visiting for a while, it got dark and we got hungry, so we decided to go to Taco Bell. Ready?
Are you leading, Scotty?
I can. Because I don't know.
Please.
It's like I don't remember what Taco Bell is.
You have me.
I know, that's why.
It's not cold.
I know.
I mean, it's not hot and it's not cold. It's like perfect temperature right now for me. Like not in here, it's a little on the warm side.
Mm-hmm.
But like outside is like perfect temperature.
After going inside to Taco Bell to eat, we went to Miah's grandparents to spend the night on their property in our hammocks.
And then left. Back. Straight. Up there. There will be a gate. Oh, and it's left open. Nice. And then we can just go venturing up this hill. This is our property, my parents' property. After this, no. After that gate. Careful, random rocks or whatever. Anywhere up this way we can go.
Left?
Yeah.
I'll let...
Dallas go first.
Since you have a little bit more clearance and you have a little bit more, well, I guess, yeah, a little bit more light, kind of, you might want to go ahead of me.
Yes, we can go left.
Oh, no, we're gonna go around you.
No. That way.
Go up to the left.
Okay. Are you going uphill or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I see the rocks there.
Until we find a spot we like.
Okay, watch out for the rocks over here. Follow our path, basically.
Yeah, there's some rocks over there.
Anywhere nice?
Up here is where my parents wanted to build a house, so we have to go around that way and then.
What about this tree over here to the right?
Looks pretty good.
Right where I'm pointing?
Yeah, looks like there's quite a few different areas that we can.
See, there's going to be like a rock area over here if we go straight this way.
Yeah, this place is full of stickers.
Yeah, if we take a right or keep going straight through the trees or something, not up that way, but if we can get behind those rocks straight ahead of you, that's where my parents wanted to build a house, on the other side of those rocks. It's a flat area, I think.
Like directly in front of us?
Yeah.
It's like where they're going.
Yeah, so go that way. See those rocks right there? That's where we want to get around.
So just go straight?
No, go follow his way.
Alright, Scotty, it gets a little loose right there, so be careful.
Take a left. Anywhere in this area we can.
We're gonna pull up here.
Okay.
Just took a fucking stick to the face.
Oh, there's a rock right there.
No, stop.
Stop, there's a rock. Oh, they're trying to go.
How big is it?
It's bigger than your bumper.
Sounds good.
Tell them to back up.
Are you gonna back up? Oh, I guess that's where he's stopping. Oh, come on. Did you not see the rock?
I was gonna crawl over it, but
Oh.
you stopped me.
Haha.
Well, yeah, but then you would have gone high center.
High center. I wasn't driving straight into it from the middle.
Okay. Well, the way it looked like you were going, you were gonna go
It
straight.
made me slip to the side a little bit.
Because the way you were looking, like it was gonna.
Here, turn your light bar on.
I'm gonna get out and see. You're welcome.
I'm gonna go real quick. I'm gonna hit these.
I have to pull the stickers out of my leg here.
Yep.
There's a rock right
Yeah,
there.
that's a rock.
Well, how far?
Like 5 feet, but like.
How far are we gonna be going?
Like, where do we need to pick a spot first?
Yeah. Well,
Where are we gonna set up camp, boys? Like, what are good trees?
Okay.
Where are good trees?
I don't know. Your property. Your property.
I'm not up here at all.
Here, there's 4.
Yeah, right there's actually really, really good. If you want to go around and face
Back up.
upwards.
And then just turn in like you're gonna turn in between these 2 trees. Yeah.
wait, back up.
Back up, like back up, out.
Like
back
straight.
Out. Keep going.
Good on this side.
Straighten out, yeah.
And then basically facing this area because this area is.
Did you actually? Oh. Or just go straight that way?
Because I think this area right here we're going to.
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
That's good.
There you go. What?
Okay. I was gonna say what? Oh, that's a lot more prickly or whatever the fuck that
Stop
is.
there.
Okay.
We can drive over it. Hey, Dallas. 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 Should we just drive through it just to
There's a
level
branch
it?
right there. It would scrape his entire.
Yeah, I was gonna say that looks like
You
a.
want to pick up the branch and move it?
Hey, go ahead, Cliff. I was thinking of getting a stick or something and propping it underneath your light bar so it stays up enough to see.
Like, I just want to level it out.
Oh, the car?
No, the grass.
Oh, okay.
Well, I didn't want you running the whole fucking branch over.
Well, neither did I. That's why I was.
Yeah.
That's why I kind of
You
was.
can keep going if you want. I mean,
Do you want to level it out, or
Sure.
sure.
just so we have an area to walk and stuff?
I'm gonna scrape. Yeah, I was gonna say I'm gonna scrape up here,
Just stop where you are, dude. You're fine.
Yeah, it's good.
then reverse back. So then.
Yeah, just go back. Hey, Dallas, since you don't have shoelaces, stomp in there and make it all flat.
What?
He wants you to stomp in there to make it flat.
Since he doesn't have shoelaces.
Oh, he's got bigger feet than me. And he has pants on, so it's good.
No, shoot the Durango jump.
Look at the Durango back up.
Well, that's it. But back up all the way and flatten up. Everyone's already in their hammocks. I took some pictures of my car and it looks amazing. I will show you some right now. Those were pretty cool, weren't they? I'm really happy with him. But I'm gonna head up to my hammock and call it a night. See you tomorrow, guys. Finally in our hammocks. Well, everyone's already, of course, in their hammocks, but now I'm in mine. Finally going to bed. It's a nice starry night now, as you saw with the pictures. But I'm gonna actually now go to bed. It is 3:14 in the morning. I'm gonna finally go to bed. So now it's night. Night, guys.